Hi, my name's Becky and I've been using Andrew's bone breathing practice for almost 3 months now. It has been an incredible blessing when it comes to rest. I have had well over a year off of work. I've been unable to create or really function in many areas of life due to extreme burnout, where I'd been pushing, forcing, overdoing it, and just being hyper independent, not really asking for help or support, and taking care of everybody else. I know this can be a very common thing amongst us women, and ultimately that led to me breaking down and being completely exhausted and unable to really move forward on things anymore. And anything I tried to bring in by way of like self-development, healing work just felt like more doing. I just got really overloaded with stuff. And when Andrew's bone breathing practice came along, it was medicine, because it's all about being, and it's so simple. It's breathing deeply into your body and feeling all of your feelings and switching off. And the way that I experienced this was, there had been like a hum, and there still is at times, but there's like a hum in the background that I could not hear before, and it was buzzing away, tiring me out and keeping me awake at night. And through doing the bone breathing practice, I actually dropped so deeply into the body that this quietened that hum that was going on in the background, and it allowed me to fully switch off and rest my body. And so for the first month that I started this practice, I was sleeping so much. I thought I was doing something wrong. And obviously the cynical mind kicks in and starts analysing everything. But I began to realise that this is what my body really needed. I was actually switching off properly on a deep level. And then from that place, after about a month, I started to feel a lot more turned on. I hadn't had much sexual energy moving through my body. And yeah, I felt that activate within me. And then from there, started to notice my nails and my hair have been growing incredibly fast. And I don't know if it is related to the bone breathing practice, but obviously nails are bone. And yeah, it was just peculiar that the more rested and nourished I felt in my body, the more I began to notice like my health was improving. Like I began to look more radiant. And so yeah, I'm in my 3rd month now and still having to work on committing to the practice every day. I do forget sometimes, but when I do lay down to do it, it's a classic moment where I'm like, oh, I need to be doing this every day because it's so helpful. And yeah, it's been a wonderful remedy to help me switch off and just really be in my body, which is what I needed. And yeah, I just think it's great for anyone that finds like yoga or other kind of self-development modalities or practices a little bit overwhelming or too much or confusing. All you got to do is follow Andrew's steps and just drop deep down into your body, and you'll find this really nourishing connection to yourself that will carry on throughout the day and really help support you in being more clear and rested.